la 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 la. Hail to Mr. Oogie, Jack will never win. When you find our booby traps, they will do you in.
First we brought the master back to take this town away from Jack. We knew he'd fight to set things right, so we got bad guy to attack.
Stop! I've had enough of you! Your punishment is overdue. You've instigated chaos here and turned this town onto its ear!
Hail to Mr. Oogie, put Jack to the test. Keep him guessing all the time, never let him rest.
Then Mr. Oogie Boogie Man
Can take the whole town over then.
You'll be so pleased, I do declare.
The whole world should beware.
Now that Oogie is the king, we get away with everything. You cannot scold us for our pranks. The new King Oogie, let's get thanked.
Don't be foolish. Think now all this danger isn't fun and games. When this town is back to normal, do you really want the blame?
Hail to Mr. Oogie, this is so much fun. We make mischief day and night, our work is never done.
If I've told you once, I've told you twice to straighten out your act. You'll never get away with this and that. You brats is fast.